Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for those looking to elevate their video conferencing or streaming setup. We'll show you how to use your digital camera as a webcam, unlocking better video quality and control for your online meetings or content creation. Let's get started. How to use a digital camera as a webcam. Using a digital camera as a webcam is a great way to improve the visual quality of your video calls or streams. Here are the steps to set it up. Step 1. Check camera compatibility. Before you begin, make sure your digital camera supports video output via USB or HDMI. Most modern cameras offer this functionality, but it's important to verify compatibility with your specific model. Step 2. Gather your equipment. You'll need your digital camera, a USB cable or HDMI cable, depending on camera and computer compatibility. Tripod or mount for stability. Optional but recommended. Any necessary software or drivers provided by the camera manufacturer. Step 3. Connect your camera to your computer. USB connection. Connect the camera to your computer using a USB cable. Ensure the camera is set to PC or webcam mode if applicable. HDMI connection. For cameras with HDMI output, connect one end of the HDMI cable to the camera and the other end to an HDMI capture device connected to your computer. Step 4. Install required software if applicable. Some cameras may require specific software or drivers to function as a webcam. Visit the manufacturer's website and download any necessary software for your operating system. Step 5. Set up your camera settings. Focus and exposure. Adjust the focus and exposure settings on your camera to ensure clear and well-lit video output. Audio. Decide whether to use the camera's built-in microphone or an external microphone for audio input. Step 6. Select your camera in video conferencing software. Open your preferred video conferencing software, e.g., Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Skype. Go to the video settings or preferences section. Select your digital camera from the list of available webcams. Step 7. Test your setup. Before your important meeting or stream, conduct a test call to ensure everything is working correctly. Check video quality, audio levels, and ensure there are no connectivity issues. Conclusion. Using your digital camera as a webcam can significantly enhance your online presence with superior video quality and more control over your image. Whether you're streaming, attending virtual meetings, or creating content, this setup can make a noticeable difference. Thanks for watching.